Good morning again to one and all. Today on Saturday, 7 August, national order that this function has been organized on behalf of our donor in order to feed us on the I take great pleasure in volunteering for this cause along with our donor who are as follows. Ajay Lamu, New York $50, Siring Lamu, New York $21, Siring Wangdi, New York $111, Kasi Siring, New York $111, Banu Tamang, New York $101, Sunita Lobsen $51, total $445 US. Convert Nepali rupees 52,510. Expenditure of food 205 people 41,000, water 2,500, transportation charge 6,000, food 2,500, total 52,000. To all the donors, I would like to extend my deepest regards and gratitude for their compassionate love for the community. I hope you all the health and bliss. Thank you, Chana.
Top level now.